So in this video of querying operations in MongoDB, we'll see what is projection. So projection is nothing but selecting only specific fields from the document. So for example, in SQL, if we try to relate it with SQL, so the query is select student name from student. So suppose if we have student table in which we have fields, that is roll number, student name, student address and student contact number. So in order to show only student name from the student table, what we'll do is we'll just select student name, right? So it means we are not giving the where condition over here. We are just selecting the fields which we want to show, right? So in case of MongoDB, the equivalent query for this is db.student.find. So in the first parameter, we used to specify the selection criteria, but since in projection, we only show the fields and not the selection criteria, so we'll keep the curly brackets empty, and after that we specify the fields which we want to show. So suppose if we want to show the student name, so we'll give it the value as 1. So now what this 1 is implying over here? So in projection, 1 value is used to show the field and 0 value is used if we don't want to show the field. There is a condition in projection that even though if we don't specify _id as 1, but still it is shown because it is system generated. So that is why it is always shown by the projection. So let's see how to hide the _id field. So in order to hide this _id field, we need to explicitly give it a value as 0. So how to do it now? db.student, that means the collection name, .find, in bracket, the first empty, that is the selection criteria is not there. Then in the second option, as you can see, student name :1, that means we only want to show the student name field and we want to hide the _id. So we have given it as a value 0. And this is how we can explicitly hide _id field. Now what is the difference between selection and projection? In selection, we give condition on the basis of which the documents are shown. That means, suppose if we have a where condition in which we want to show the documents on the basis of a particular selection criteria, then that kind of querying is nothing but the selection. Now what is projection? So in projection, we show only selected fields from the document. So projection does not have anything to do with the condition, where condition, right? So projection only deals with which fields of the documents you want to show. Suppose if a single document is containing multiple fields such as student name, student address, student age, student contact number. So in case if you want to show only student name and student age, so this is nothing but the user defined condition where you only want to show the selected fields. So that kind of example will be relatable with projection. And in case if you want to specify the condition on the basis of selection criteria, then that will be the condition in the selection. For example, in selection, suppose if we try to relate it with SQL, so the query is select star from student where student age equals to 20. So here all the fields will be selected according to the selection criteria, that is student age is equal to 20. Now the equivalent query for MongoDB is db.student.find, in bracket we have specified the selection criteria. Now in case of projection, if we relate it with SQL, so the query is select student name from student. That means we are selecting a specific field from the table student. The equivalent query for this in MongoDB is db.student.find. The selection criteria is blank, and as you can see, we only want to show the student name. So we have set the student name as 1 value with it. So this is how you can differentiate between selection as well as projection. Now there might be a case when you want to use selection along with projection. So this is also possible in MongoDB. Let's see how. For example, in SQL, if we see a query that is select student name from student where student age equals to 20. So here the student name, that means we have selected only a specific field. We have not specified star over here. If we would have specified star, then all the fields would have been selected. But here we are only specifying a single field, and at the same time we are providing the condition also, right? That means the student age should be 20. Now the equivalent query for this in MongoDB is db.student.find. So in the first parameter of find method, as you can see, this time we are specifying the condition also. So as per the example, our condition is student age should be 20, and since we only want to show the field that is student name, so we have given it a value as 1. So this is how you can implement selection along with projection as well. So that's all about how to perform the query operations on MongoDB using projection.